In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit a Slack workspace in just about 5 minutes. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition as you step out of a workspace on Slack, whether you're leaving for good or just taking a break. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Slack homepage. That's the central hub for all things Slack, where you can access your workspaces and manage your settings. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button, usually displayed prominently on the page. If you typically log in with a standard email and password, you can do that, but for today's purpose, we'll assume you're using Google's single sign-on feature. Click on Sign In with Google to proceed. This option is convenient if you're already logged into your Google account elsewhere. It spares you from having to enter additional credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your workspaces and channels. It's here that you can access all your conversations, files, and team updates. To move forward with leaving a workspace, you'll need to click on your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of your screen. This profile icon acts as a gateway to your account settings and preferences. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Profile and Account. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view of your settings. Here, you can change preferences, set statuses, and most importantly for today's purposes, sign out of workspaces. Now, to exit the workspace, simply scroll down through your account options until you see the sign out link or button. Click that and you'll be logged out of the current workspace. This process will sign you out of your selected workspace, effectively removing you from its active user list. Signing out is crucial when you need a break, are switching accounts, or moving to a different project prioritize. Also, it serves as a great time to check whether you're using the right account, especially if you manage multiple Slack workspaces through various organizations or projects. Remember, signing out doesn't delete your workspace or erase your data, it simply logs you out, keeping your information intact for when you're ready to return. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your workspace engagement. Now you know how to efficiently exit a Slack workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more digital productivity tips and guidance.